Ever wondered what type of engine commercial aircraft uses? There are two main types, turbofan and turboprop engines. Turbofan engine works utilizing the Brayton cycle. The big fan in the front of the engine sucks air into the engine core. There's a big portion of air bypassed outside the core, but we will get to that later. Airflow is now forced into the engine compressor. Each compressor stage compresses the air and increases its pressure more and more. This high pressure air is then mixed with jet fuel in the combustion chamber and ignited, causing it to heat and expand rapidly, shooting out the back of the engine, producing some thrust. This drives the engine turbines. The engine turbines acts as a windmill and converts that energy to power the fan via a shaft. Remember the bypassed air? The fan pushes a large volume and mass of bypassed air which generates a large portion of the total thrust of the engine. Turbofans are most efficient at high speeds and altitudes, making it well suited for large airliners and long-haul flights. Example of turbofan aircrafts are Airbus and Boeing aircrafts. Turboprop engines are similar to turbofan engines, but instead of producing thrust from exhaust gases and the fan, the energy is sent via a shaft to a reducing gearbox which connects to a propeller. Since turboprop propellers are rotating at a relatively slower speed, turboprop aircrafts are more efficient at lower speeds, around 250 to 350 knots, and lower altitudes, around 18 to 30,000 feet. This makes turboprop aircraft well suited for regional and shorter route destinations. Example of turboprop aircraft are ATR-72 and the Dash 8 Q400s. I hope you learned something new.